Hey everybody, Dan Prairie from Motoprimo Motorsports in Lakeville, Minnesota, and today we have a very special motorcycle for you. We are going to unveil the very first Thruxton TFC. Dave's helping us today. He sold the first one. We're excited to see this. Freshly bagged from Europe. You're gonna have to pick it up.
I can help him with it if you want.
Whatever. Yeah, he's got gloves on, Dave. The crates are a little oily coming off of here, so we're gonna have these guys pull it out. Be very careful lifting. And Dave, if you can pull some plastic here, let's see this bad boy. Unveil this really pretty bike. So fender eliminator from Triumph's already built in. These beautiful spoked wheels, carbon fiber and titanium Vance and Hines. You can see, only built for this bike. Special Öhlins, the carbon fiber rear cowl and custom seat, custom painted tank, the aluminum, brushed aluminum, custom badges, specialty for the TFC, carbon fiber front fenders, Öhlins front suspension, big Brembo brakes, custom carbon fiber bullet cowls, all factory on the TFC and special for this bike with the LED headlight. See some of the special TFC badging, which can only be had on this bike. You cannot order this stuff after the fact. Carbon fiber heel guards. Top triple clamp, full custom. This is number 48 out of 750. So we'll pull this bike out of the crate, kind of fast forward to that, so we can do a side-by-side comparison with the Thruxton R. Alright guys, we got this beautiful TFC Thruxton out of the box now, and we are going to give you a nice, good look at it versus its brother over here. And then we are going to open the specialty box that comes with this with some really cool gear in it. Dave's going to help us with that. Now, all the parts on this bike you cannot order if you have a regular Thruxton. You have to be an owner of a TFC. You have to have your VIN number available. You have to have proof of ownership just to get these parts. So if you ever own one of these and tip your bike over, be prepared for a process. This beautiful motorcycle. All right, Dave, let's see what we got in here. Now this should be our one-of-a-kind leather backpack specifically designed for TFC owners. Look at this. Really nice heavy leather bag. inside, you have your TFC owner's packet. And folder with your leather keychain. There's a few things that Triumph hasn't even told us what they're sending with this bike yet, so this is a new bag for me. Cover. Oh, and this is the cover. There's a specialty cover special for TFCs. This will keep your bike pristine. So while Dave's unfolding that, take another look at this beauty. So there's your specialty cover. And what a beautiful bike. Once again, number 48 of 750. So thanks everybody for watching. Stop back, check out some more videos once this bike's up and running, when it gets delivered to its new owner in the next couple weeks. Thanks for watching. Visit us online at www.motoprimo.com. Give us a call, 952-465-0500. We'd love to take care of you. This is Dan from Motoprimo. See you later.